Oh hey, who wants to go on a road trip? Come on, let's go. Hey, welcome back to Ontario Lakeside. If you're new here, we're a couple who likes to do all kinds of things off-grid. And our latest project is this off-grid adventure vehicle. And today we're going to be talking about the new Shade Sails Canada awning that we just added. In today's video, we're going to be installing our shade sail from Shade Sail Canada, and we're super excited to get started. So stay tuned. So step one in installing our shade sail is to install this track. The shade sail edge goes into this guide, and we got to get it installed on the unicell. Now the unicell has a metal frame, so we're going to try to find the metal studs and get ready to secure these with stainless steel fasteners. We want good anchor points for the track. If the wind gets up, there's going to be quite a bit of stress on the sail and it's going to be attached to our vehicle, so we want good anchor points. The unicell body is made of fiberglass, but that's not strong enough for a good anchor. So we have to find the metal structure underneath. I'm going to use my metal stud finder tool to locate those studs and mark where we're going to drill.
After we found the studs and figured out where to connect the shade sail track, we needed to drill some holes.
When installing anything on a vehicle, it's tricky to find the correct position because the vehicle might not be sitting level. So a traditional spirit level is not really going to help you. So it's best just to take measurements off of edges. So here I'm measuring down from the top of the vehicle using a straight edge on top so that the track will be mounted parallel with the top edge of the roof. We used a good amount of construction adhesive on the back of the rail, and then we positioned it on the vehicle where it's going to be bolted up, being very careful not to get any of that construction adhesive on the body of the truck. We used really good quality stainless steel hardware, bolts, washers, and screws to make sure that this rail is permanently and rigidly attached to the vehicle. I drilled a small hole and put a bolt with a locking nut on it on the end here so that when we slide the shade sail onto the track, it doesn't slide off this end. We got the rail installed on the fire truck RV, and we just needed a couple of accessories to make the system work. First was the aluminum adjustable 3-segmented tent poles, which will allow us to adjust the height of the corners. Sunny day, we can have it at full height, and if it's raining a little bit, we can drop one corner to get the water to run off. Then we use these adjustable straps to make them tight with some tent pegs at the other end, and the system works really well. What an amazing place to show off how great this awning looks. We're at the Scarborough Bluffs, it's fall, the leaves are changing, the sun is out. Let's have a look. When looking for an awning system for our van, we decided to go with something simpler, more like an overland vehicle, because we are not interested in the complexity of automatic awnings or LED lighting built in and those type of things. Requires a simple track on the wall of the vehicle and then 2 tent poles to hold it out, and I think it's quite an elegant solution. There's really a lot to like about these. They're super heavy duty, the corners are double stitched and triple layered, and all the hardware is stainless steel. The sails offer 90% UV protection, and you can choose to have a waterproofing layer. Colors and sizes are completely customizable to fit your vehicle, and you can choose straight lines or curves. Shade Sails Canada has been in business for over 20 years, and they offer a 10-year guarantee, but you can expect that your shade is going to last longer than that. All the hardware is stainless steel, marine grade, so it should last a lifetime. We love Shade Sails Canada because their material they use is extremely sturdy, UV resistant, and waterproof. Another bonus, these shade sails are handmade in Canada. All shade sails come with a 10-year guaranteed, but you can expect them to last a lot longer than that. We are blown away by how beautiful this looks on our van. We can't wait to go on a road trip and try it out. If you guys would like to learn more, you can check out the link to the Shade Sail website down in the description. If you're interested in seeing this build come together, there's going to be a few more videos, so please subscribe and share with your friends, and let's get to it.